Hey everyone, today we are diving into one of the most fundamental data types in Python, that is strings. A string is simply a sequence of characters and it's created by enclosing them in quotes. You can use either single, double, or even triple quotes. Let's see few examples. So I want to create a variable name and I will just add Python in single string. So if I run this and call name, I will get the output as Python. Now I can use double string also. So if I write greetings equals to hello world and run this and I call greetings here, so I will get the hello world, which is also a string data type. Now I can use triple line also. So I mean SSAGE. So it will create a message variable. So this is a multi line string. So if I run this and call message, I will get the output.